Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World Today. Stalkers of Israeli settlers storm Al-Aqsa complex. Israel occupied East Jerusalem, in which Al-Aqsa is located, during 1967 Arab-Israel War. Muslim world can frog Renaissance. Turkish leader. We are from a people that built such a great civilization from Samarkand to Cordoba, says Turkish President Erdogan. US needs Turkey more than Turkey needs US. Annoy. Washington is going to need Ankara most in Middle East, says Turkish ambassador. Saudi court sentences 5 to death in Khashoggi murder. Khashoggi was killed in Saudi consulate in Istanbul on October 2018. Russian airstrikes kills 9 civilians in Idlib, Syria. Airstrikes target de-escalation zone in northwestern Syria, violating terms of ceasefire. Serbia migrant boat capsized over Danube River. 6 missing after boat carrying migrants to Croatia overturned on Danube. Somalia 7 killed in Al-Shabaab attack on military base. At least 4 Al-Shabaab terrorists killed in morning attacks, says military official. Boko Haram kills 4 aid workers in Nigeria and kidnaps 2. Attack occurs along violent Maiduguri-Mangonu highway in Borno state. Algerian army chief dies of heart attack. Gaith Saleh was Algeria's strongest man after Bouteflika resignation. US service member killed in Afghanistan NATO mission. Monday's death comes amid ongoing rejuvenated and fragile peace talk between Taliban and US in Qatar. OIC concerned over issues affecting Muslims in India. Muslim bloc calls to ensure safety of Muslim minority and protecting of Islamic holy places in India. 26 dead in India as protests grip nation. Protesters demand scrapping of new citizenship law, with police reporting fresh clashes and incidents of violence. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.